Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, that I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads Windows has encountered an error saving the wireless profile, a specific error, element not found. So a Wi-Fi profile is a set of informations that your device uses to connect to a wireless network. This profile includes details such as the network's end name and password. Some of the main reasons for this error are related to the corrupted Windows registries or other files, outdated or incompatible network drivers, or even malware infections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the network and internet troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung network and internet. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap tong run. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So nandito lahat yung complete informations, details, step-by-step method and procedures kung ano yung dapat natin gawin para ma-fix yung problem. So, kailangan mo lang i-follow dito. So, after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the network adapter. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on a start menu and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then, kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating network adapters driver. So, select and right-click. And then, itap mo lang dito yung update a driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then, itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. And then, makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the SFC tool. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na SFC /scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang ulit mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error saving wireless profile message on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.